One man thought he was simply rescuing a tiny stray kitten and bringing it home, but he had absolutely no idea it was actually a wild cat that would change his family's life forever. After arriving home, the scared little kitten spent most of its time hiding in the corners because it didn't trust any humans. But as the days passed, it slowly began following its owner everywhere, cuddling with his wife and happily playing with their young child. Within just a few months, its body started growing incredibly fast, and its fur developed beautiful leopard-like spots. But wait, if you don't like animals, you can skip this video right now. However, if you're a true animal lover, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave A in the comments. Instead of releasing it back into the wild, the man decided to find it a companion. Before long, adorable little kittens were born, filling the entire home with love, joy, and happiness.